Welcome to Lesson 7, in the beginning of the Behavior Unit. This lesson will begin to build connections between emotions and behaviors. Students will begin to see what emotions drive their behaviors, and that will be a huge theme throughout. Emotions drive behaviors. For this first lesson in our Behavior Unit, you're going to play a fun game of charades, so students can see how scenarios drive different emotions and thus the different behaviors that come from those emotions. For this lesson, you will need the what happened scenarios. You can find them in the materials section of the curriculum. You will also need a hat or a bowl or something because you'll want to cut up the scenarios into strips and put them into the bowl. You'll need to divide your students into small groups and have a timer or a stopwatch. That will be important. We've provided you with an online stopwatch here if you want to project it onto your classroom whiteboard. So for the lesson, you'll need to divide the students up, and you should think about when you're dividing them, what students work well together. You'll want to act out one of the scenarios yourself or use the example that we give you in this lesson so that the students get an idea of the goal of what we're out here for. This should be a fun activity that begins to introduce the pairing of emotions and behaviors that come from the emotions. Students will choose the emotion that they want to act out based on the scenario that they got. Looking ahead, the next lesson you will continue to teach the idea of emotions driving behavior, but this time through some literature.